What's up, guys? So I posted this video a few months ago of me actually smoking a tree. And a few guys in the comments were recommending I get some handguards. So I decided to purchase a set. But before I put them on, it's time to finally do something about this front brake lever. The ones I decided to go with are the Cycra Rebound Handguards. I had my clutch lever moved down pretty far. I decided to bump it up just a little.